Okay, so you're gonna add this. My customer love it when her lotion has a lot of oil. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my strong half cast lotion. This lotion is a special order. It's for my best customer. Okay, so if you have a customer like that you know, this special customer, yes, all my customers are so special and I so much love them. So if you have a customer like that, just watch this video to the end. Okay, so after watching this video, guys, enough of my lotion is not whitening my client, my lotion is giving white patches. No. Okay, so this is just a last bus stop. Okay, so just make sure you watch this video to the very end. Okay, and don't forget to, you know, drop on the comment a next video you will want me to do for you. Before that, if today is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Precious Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to this amazing, fantastic and interesting channel. Okay, you're gonna benefit a lot. So if you're into skincare, you just finished learning a skincare and you really need that trustworthy, yes, nobody's perfect though, we're all learning, but so you need that, you know, that attractive and catchy channel that will, you know, bring new recipes and upgrade you. Just subscribe and turn on your notification bell below. Anytime we upload video, YouTube will just notify you that your girl don't upload video. And that oil that we made, this is how it looks like. So if you haven't watched the video, just go and watch the video. Okay, this is the oil, this is it here, this is it, this is the half cast oil that we made. Look at how yummy it is, guys. Have you seen oil like this before? Have you? Look at it. This is how it looks like. So like I said, we need just 2 liters and this is exactly 2 liters. And guys, if you have been into this business and you find it so difficult, or you're just starting and you find it so difficult to, you know, make a production for this particular amount, for this particular measurement, as example, you have a client that needs just 1 liter of oil or 1 liter of lotion and you have been battling on how to do it. If you want to make a 1 liter, that means you have to, you know, it's either you make up to 5 liter or you make half liter. Do you get my point? You make 500 ml. Do you understand? So if you have been battling with this issue, just let me know on the comment section and I'm going to make a video putting you through on how measurement you can use to get 100 ml, 200 ml, 1 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter. Okay, so if you're interested, just let me know. It's very, very important. Like, it's very, very important. That makes you, I don't know how to describe it. So if you're battling with this, just let me know on comment section. So the lotion we want to make here now is 2 liter. In here I have my half cast base, 1 kg. Guys, 1 kg is the same measurement with 1 liter. It's just as a little thing, just little thing that makes this a bit bigger than 1 liter. Okay, so it's just almost the same thing. Do you get? So and my base is my Asian base, guys. This is Asian lotion, guys. This lotion is very, very good. You can use this direct to your skin. It helps to fade away dark spots, smooth and nourish and whitening up your skin. It's very, very good to the skin. Okay, most especially if you have a dry skin, it's very, very good. So we're going to be using 1, and 1 is 500 ml. In here I have my bobo misie. Guys, don't mind the way I pronounce this bobo nisi. I'll be waiting in a column. But I just like the anti-reaction tube. It's very, very good. We're going to be using 2. Okay, it's very, very, very good. So if you don't have a anti-reaction tube that you can use to prevent stretch mark, green vein on the skin, just go ahead and try this. It's very, very good, and it's 500 naira each. Okay, it's very affordable. So, and the only serum whitening serum I'm going to use for this is pigment dose. I'm going to show you the reason why I'm using just pigment dose to make a product that I said is super active. Okay, so we're going to be using this. This is another reason why I am using just one serum, because this is a whitening graceline. Guys, this is very good. If you have been using this, you know what I'm talking about. It's super good. You can't even use this direct to your skin. Here I have my estrogen activator oil. So I think this is the right time you trust this oil, right? I use it for my lotion, my oil, and I'm using it for my lotion. Okay, so this is the main reason I'm not adding any serums, because this oil on its own is super active. They don't burn you well to try it on your skin alone. So this is what I'm going to be using to activate my lotion. And yes, I'm going to use out from the oil that I made, okay, the half cast oil. Look at how yummy it says. Look at how yummy it is. One of my customers was like, Precious, I tried this recipe of half cast oil on your YouTube, and my customer was like, the color is wow, I love it. So I'm gonna be using out from this. This is a whitening oil as well, right? Because I'm going to be using my my sunscreen, okay, to protect your skin from sun damage. This is Vid Gold, okay. This is Vid Gold whitening sunblock cream, SPF 90, okay, 2-in-1. So this is very good. We're going to be using this, and of course I'm going to be using my Shalom stretch mark oil to prevent anything like white patches, green veins, stretch mark, and all that. Okay, we're going to use everything. And of course I love using vitamin E on my lotion or oil. It's very good. Here I have my German Plus preservative, the best preservative ever. Okay, so here I have my propylene glycol. You guys know I cannot do without propylene glycol. Now you know that one. Okay, and here I have my mixing bowl. Yeah, I have my mixing bowl. Yes, there is a bit oil inside. Just we use it to make oil, remember. So I'll go ahead and put my base cream. Guys, this base cream on its own is very good. If you use this on its own on your body, it's going to help to lighten up your skin gradually. Do you get my point? It's going to help to lighten up your skin gradually. Okay, so we're going to use 1 kg. Like I said, if you have problems with your measurements, like you want to make this particular, some people will be like, Precious, I want to make just small amount of this lotion or this oil to know how it is. Please, can you give me the recipe? Guys, it's not easy. Try to consider me. So if you want something like that, just let me know in the comment section. I'll just do it for everybody to avoid your question, please. This is it. So this is my base, and here I'm going to add my Asian. This lotion is very good. You can use it direct to your skin, okay? You can use it direct to your skin. It's very good. It helps whitening up your skin, and it contains sunscreen, so it's very good to the skin, okay? But while using a whitening lotion, try not to abuse it. That is another issue we are having. Because you want it to whiten up your skin, you are using it morning, afternoon, and nights. The product is going to turn back at you. Yes, it's going to turn back at you. So this is it. And I'll go ahead and add my Bobo Misi tube to my base to help prevent any form of, hey, I'm using this lotion and it's giving me blah. There's nothing like that, okay? There is nothing like that. So I'm gonna use the tool, man. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna use the second one. This anti-reaction tube is very good. Okay, you can give it a try if you don't have a trust should I say trust anti-reaction tube, like the one that you have used and it's very perfect, or it gives you what you want. You can go ahead and try this. It's perfect. Okay, so I'll go ahead and mix this. Add my pigmentose serum. I'm adding everything. I just love the color of this pigmentose serum. My Shalom stretch mark oil. I'm adding my Shalom stretch mark oil. I'm adding everything because I'm not using a lot so I'm adding everything, the oil, but let me just measure it in case you want to make yours, so it will be easy for you. This is 31 ml. Okay, so let me know how many is gonna come out from. Okay, just like one. So you just use 31 ml and it's little. Okay, you can use 1.5 of 31 ml. Whitening grassland, sorry, don't mind me. So you just have 31 ml as well. Okay, just 31 ml. And here I'm gonna add the oil that we made. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video of how to make this whitening half cast oil, you can check my you can check it on this channel. You'll see it. Okay, so you're gonna add this. My customer love it when her lotion has a lot of oil. Do you understand? So she love it when her lotion has a lot of oil. So that is why I'm adding this. So this is my vitamin E oil. So I'm adding 31 ml as well. I have my sunscreen. You can use any sunscreen of your choice. Okay, so you just add enough sunscreen. It's very important. So you go ahead and stir it. Though the Asian lotion contains sunscreen and our base contains sunscreen, guys, I don't joke with sunscreen at all. I don't joke with sunscreen. So I'll go ahead and add my propylene glycol. My propylene glycol to make the product penetrate your skin. So I'll go ahead and add my preservative. Guys, you just have to trust this channel. If I am to add any other thing off camera, I am not supposed to add preservative. Yes, if I am to add any other thing, or this is a fake recipe, I'm not. Do you know how much I spend on this product? That I will not, because I want to for street people life, I will not make fake product on it. I'll just spend the whole money just to make a fake product. So even all these things that I added here now on its own is very active. Okay, so you just have to trust us. If I am to add anything off camera, I am not supposed to add preservative, because preservative is the last thing you're supposed to add. Okay, so we're gonna add our preservative. This Jama Plus is very nice. Honestly, you need to try it. It's very nice. Mix this together. Oh my guys, this lotion, I'm not gonna add fragrance to this. Yes, I'm not gonna add fragrance to this. So this is our lotion, guys. This is our lotion. This is our lotion. So this lotion is very active. It helps whitening up your skin and fade away any form of dark spots, stretch mark, green vein, white patches on the skin. It's very good. You see what I added here now, so you need to believe, right? So it's very perfect. You can try this. It's very good. Okay, it's very good. There's nothing like it's giving me stretch mark or green vein. There's nothing like it's not working. And don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, if you try it, just drop your comment in the comment section on how it works and your experience, so others can have the confidence and try their own. Okay, for those doubting Thomas. You understand? If you don't have these oils that I added now, you can just get 2 serums to add to this pigment dose. Okay, that is fine as well. So it's very, very good. And the base is active, Asian lotion is active. We added our whitening glycerin, we added our estrogen activator, we added it here, we added our half cast oil that we made. So just look at it, everything is whitening. Okay, so the lotion is good to go. So this lotion here is going to US. Okay, so feel free to send your order. We deliver worldwide. And don't forget to smash the like button of this lotion, share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like I said. Love you.